Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate text correction options. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Additional Settings. Following that, select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and the Gboard. Lastly, just select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!